welcome to Hans Pao's Kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make Mexican fried rice. The following are the ingredients. Before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now let's get started. We are gonna need 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of boiled kidney beans, 1 cup of mixed vegetables, 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, 1 green chili, coriander, 5 cloves of garlic and spring onion. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and salt to taste. First, let's take 2 cups of rice, wash it and soak it in 3 cups of water for at least 30 minutes. After the rice is soaked, we will take a large pan and add 2.5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is warm, add chopped garlic and stir fry it for about a minute. When the garlic is slightly golden, add onions and stir fry them for about a minute as well. Now strain the rice water into another bowl and add the soaked rice into the pan and mix. Add bell pepper and mix again. Let's add 1.5 tablespoon of ketchup and 1.5 tablespoon of hot sauce or chili sauce and mix. Add the mixed vegetables and mix some more. Mexican cuisine is very colorful and full of flavor, so you can add your favorite vegetables as well. Now add the spices and make sure to mix them well. Remember the strained rice water in another bowl? It's time to add that now. Let it cook for about 2 minutes until the water is slightly reduced. Now let's cover the pan with a lid and cook it in medium flame for about 5 minutes or until the rice is cooked. After 5 minutes, you can see that the rice is now cooked. So let's add some boiled kidney beans and mix it gently so that the rice doesn't break. Now let's add spring onions and cilantro and mix them well. We are gonna cover the pan again for about a minute just to make sure that all the flavors get well incorporated and the kidney beans and rice are cooked to perfection. The Mexican fried rice is now cooked. For garnishing, you can add some more cilantro and spring onions along with the lemon.